how to fix Instagram message problem on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First go to Play Store and here make sure your Instagram is updated. If you find here update, click on it, it's easy. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then just go to settings, scroll down until you find apps, then click apps again, this one for Android phones. Go to Instagram, click force stop and go to storage, clear cache. And if you have an iPhone, you can just restart your phone and turn off your Wi-Fi and then open Instagram, and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.